Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar in Notion. So if you want to use calendar, it's super easy to do. Once you're inside Notion, create a new page. As you can see in the upper left, you can create new page here. And from here, it is super easy and super straightforward. Click on templates at the bottom here. And on the upper right hand side, just simply go ahead and type in calendar. Once you type that in, it's search and you'll find a ton of different calendars that you can actually use. So you want to scroll through and find something that you want, something that you like. As you can see here, this is even Google Calendar you can use. And you just need to go ahead and scroll through and search. You will have more as well. You can scroll through, you can expand, and you'll find a ton of different calendar that you can use. If you want, for example, let's say a month calendar, let's say you don't want to use that, you can simply type in, for example, month calendar and search again, and it will kind of make the results even better for you. So take, for example, this is a month calendar. It's actually free as well. You can use it and you can just simply go ahead and click on it. If you like it, you can even preview those as well, and you can simply go ahead and click and add, and it's going to quickly add that calendar for you. As you can see, this is a very good one. 255 downloads, version updated 3 weeks ago, so they're continuously improving it. And once it is done, you can click on it on the left hand side and you have the calendar ready to use that you can start use within Notion. As you can see, you can add your stuff there, your list, and everything can be added into this calendar. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.